I often also talk about the need of education like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. For anybody who's been to the Leaning Tower of Pisa, it's a magnificent structure. It's been standing since the 11th century, or leaning, should I say. This thing has rubbish foundations. Right from the outset, the foundations were useless. It was leaning very soon after the construction. So how do we think that this thing is still there today? It's still standing to some extent, it's still leaning, despite the fact it has rubbish foundations. Is that a miracle of physics? No. The Italian government have spent millions of pounds, quite literally pouring in infrastructure, pouring in civil engineering projects, tension cabled wires, keeping this thing afloat so it doesn't fall over. And I think the Leaning Tower of Pisa can teach us a lot about the problem we see with healthcare education. I see lots of patients who they don't have a great deal of understanding. The foundational questions have not been answered. Why do I still have pain? What do I do about it? And like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, when these simple fundamental questions about pain aren't answered at the start, they become a very expensive ongoing maintenance project, just like the Leaning Tower of Pisa.